Alrighty, so here we have the poll made. Title of the poll was Benefits and Salary Discussion. The location is Google Hangouts. We'll schedule a Google Hangout for this, and topics just discussing benefits and salary for the athletic trainer position. So I sent it out to my second email just as an example for instead of sending out to sports physical therapy. And we're just going to go ahead and assume that Thursday is the day that works best. So if we go over to Google Hangouts, we can start a new conversation. That's fine. Email right here. Send out and invite. Now we can also go ahead and set up our Google Meet for this meeting. It's going to be the benefits and salary meeting. We're going to add our guest. I'll save the email right here. And at the time, we came up with 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. And you just add a little description. Send it out, and now my boss would have the information for when we're going to have the meeting and how he can access it.